Hi friends, welcome to our channel. So friends, today in this video we're going to see and we're going to know what will be the price of making the beautiful wardrobe designs and what are the advantages of a beautifully designed wardrobe. So friends, if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe to our channel. A beautifully designed wardrobe for a bedroom offers the several advantages combining the functionality. A stylish wardrobe can enhance the overall look of your bedroom, complementing its theme and decor. A beautifully designed wardrobe can reflect your personal taste and preference, creating a space that feels uniquely yours. From colors and materials to layout and accessories, you can customize the wardrobe as per your choice. So friends, now we will know what will be the price and which are the best materials to make the wardrobe. Nowadays, the most popular materials which are used for the wardrobes is plywood and the HDMR. So we will comparison these both materials. First we will compare the strength. Plywood is most durable and it has high density wood, but HMR is not strong as plywood. So my suggestion is use the plywood to make the wardrobes because it is more durable. It is a strong material made by bonding multiple layers of wood veneer. It resists warping, cracking and splitting better than solid wood. High quality plywood like BWR or BWP grade is long lasting and can handle the regular use. And even the plywood provides the look of wood at a lower cost compared to any other wood. It is budget friendly for large scale like wardrobes. So now we will discuss how much it will cost you to make the wardrobe designs. Currently for making the wardrobe it will cost almost 1000 rupees to 1200 rupees per square feet. This price includes the materials plus labor cost. So let me take some example, like if you want to make the wardrobe size of 6 by 7, 7 feet height and 6 feet width. So the total area is 42 square feet and we will take the price as 1100 rupees per square feet. So if we'll multiply with this 42 into 1100, it almost cost 46,200 rupees. So if you want to make the 6 by 7 wardrobe, it will cost 46,200 rupees. But it depends on the area where you live, from where you purchase the materials and the locations. So the price may be vary. So friends, when you are planning, you properly plan the wardrobes like materials, price, because a stylish wardrobe can enhance the overall look of your bedroom, complements its theme and decor. You will get lots of designs like sliding doors, mirror panels or unique finish. Like you can add the wood or glass or the laminate, so which add the sophistication to the room. So friends, if you have any queries related to the wardrobes or any interior related, you can ask me in the comment section or you can contact through my mail ID which I mentioned in the description. So friends, when you are planning to build a wardrobe, you should consider some important points. Like first one is the material which is used for wardrobes. Like I told you that plywood is the best material for wardrobe. Second, you compare the price with other vendors, so always select the best vendor to make the wardrobe. So always comparison the price with other vendors also. Third one, select the best designs of wardrobes as per your choice. So in this video you can see there are the beautiful designs are available, so you can select as per your choice, as per your house size. So always make the wardrobe as per your room size and select the best color for wardrobe so that it can match your bedroom colors combinations and other furniture in your bedroom. So friends, if you want more details, you can ask me in the comment section or you can contact through my mail ID which I mentioned in the description. So friends, if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe to our channel, because in this channel you will get the latest and modern interior tips and ideas for related living room, bedrooms, kitchen, bathrooms and many more. So friends, if you like this video, then please like and share this video and keep supporting to our channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you once again.